Kublai pi baru agini gilongi kubor bam takasngi. Ka Dibora Marag, Working President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, hai ka jing yakran bakilat pathai kubor ne kasngi kala pendam juri ya ka jing pensange ya ka internet hagaru hills kabala ne palat ya ka chitayong. Kabala kata juri ka imlang salang bat ki kamai ka ji kala ong baka Congress ka kren na ka benda ki pat ba ka garu hills ki bala mat ya ka jing ka bajur namar ka jing bam dan internet. Kalau kedau bahagani kajuk ke pemerintah ke internet kam dei syu tang ke jingdon kam basimen mereka di ke jingdon kam ka bakong santam ke jing dan internet kelawan rai ke jing ke bokrau habaro ke liang ke imlang salang ke laong kala benrap bekinong khayi berki business ha ki benta beper jong ka Garu Hills kum ka William Nagar Rezubel para berki wi ki jaka kila mad ki jingdu nong gi bakrau namar ke jing thut ki rukam siu pisaling bagi digital berki supply change. Kamara kalapan pauru bagi office sarkar bagi private office kila syak tak jurna marga jingbam la ban penyat bank ya ki kampat ba jungnya dealing bagi lat online. Kalapan pau ke jing sengok ya halor ke samla puli da ke baong babun ki kena puli kem la asyuk ban shim bentah haki online classes ban yo iki kot puli ne jing yo jing tim ke babu jing ya ke jing puli jongki. Syuk kala kedau bagi jing ya rap hak liang ka kot ke kya bagi jing ya kran kerki emergency communication kila syak tak jur. Kababu jing mai ki min simriu khamtam ki badan haki hospital ki badan kam jing yarap mardor. Ha ke juk kapor kala ong baki banking services ru kila syakta kabawan ra ye ke jing iki pat ba bar ki nong khai. Kala maham baka jing pinsak ye baslam kum kane kamon ra tang bawan ra jing iki pat ba ndoi ke pinslam ru ika roi ke par ke yo ke kon ke jing pinsai pat ba baka jing yat bet jung ke jing pinyat pat ba. Wala kala kubur bahagi por badan jing hakal law and order la bandan kam ban bu jing ada shipor. Henry kala ong ban pinsangi internet palat sitayo kalong ka palat pun bat kawana jing kali halor karai jing ka sarkar. Na kaliang ka Congress ka Dibora Marag kala Dawa juri ya ka sarkar ban pinyo biang madori ke internet hagaru hills da ka baong ba ka jing pinsangi ka beteng ka taabet iki pat ba ki balului. Kala dei ka por baka sarkar kan shimkhya bat pinti kana bakum kini ke jing pinsangi baslem kin om jia shu ha gajilla kala bindram.
All CM is removed. I think he resigned by himself. Then only they have put a new CM. This is their party prerogative. We have nothing to comment on that. And as far as ST certificate is concerned, yes, we all endorse, we agree. It's a welcoming step, but they have to fulfill all the system. Then we can start with it. Omanin, he was NPP, then he was denied ticket was given to Mr. Mardor, then he joined TMC, from TMC he came to Congress, then we denied to give ticket to non-tribal during this time. We respect the sentiment of all our Garo Achuk people, the sentiment of NGOs. Therefore, we said we will not give ticket to non-tribal. So we have given to one lady, one madam. And after that, he is no more Congress. He was trying to contest, put his nomination as independent. That's it.
Recently there was a photograph.
Photo, you can also take photo with me. This is while he was in Congress, definitely. He was taking photographs with us. That's it. No harm in it, yeah. Come on, Mr. Josh. You can take photo with anybody, everybody.
There's so many parties that has been in the EC. I think it's the political will that nobody had in the past. The political will come down Nadu Basdang in 1972 or even for that matter in 1954 for that matter when the district council was formed. There were a lot of things that probably politicians of those time did not have the vision or did not foresee to a very large extent in what is going to be the impact in the long term, and maybe these are the mistakes. We all know, right, when law is being acted, it needs to be amended from time to time. and maybe the amendment never did happen, or there were no serious discussions because of the lack of political will at any point of time. You can't just say that it is the Congress or something like that. I think there were various other parties who were also heading the ECs, and it's I will not say political. It becomes a more like a statesmanship. If there are good statesmen who probably would have thought and been more far-sighted in terms of their understanding of what exactly are supposed to be done, maybe these actions should have been taken a long time back. But since, as we speak today, we cannot say that we'll keep on sleeping over this. For what will happen in the future is it needs immediate action, and probably corrective measures has to be taken. So just blaming one party or the other it doesn't make sense to me, because it's the entire political ecosystem itself which has gone wrong for a very long time. Yeah.
Thank you and good afternoon. See, we the Congress Party, today we address the media on behalf of the Garo people, where internet services have been shut down for than a week. But I was learned just now, I think they're getting the internet. Whatever may be the case, this prolonged disruption has caused widespread inconvenience and hardship across all sections of society in Garo Hills, we all know. And just imagine in this era, one cannot stay without internet. Internet access is not a luxury today, we all know, but a necessity. The absence of internet connectivity is severely hampering businesses, because we have businesses in Garo Hills, especially Tura, William Nagar, Bakmara, and North Garo Hills. Daily wage earner, even the wage earner, they have a phone nowadays, and traders are facing financial losses, we all know, due to disrupted payment system and supply chains. Government offices, private offices, both public sectors, all of them have been significantly affected. Mainly, we all know, today students are unable to access online classes. How much it affects them? Study materials, examination updates, putting their education at risk. Health services and emergency communication, its effect, all of them. Putting lives at risk, those who are sick in the hospital, those who really need urgent doctor attention. These are very much concerned to the Congress Party. That is why we are here, and we wanted to put a message across Garo Hills. Banking services, we all know, we need banking services, have been disrupted, causing inconvenience to the general public, to the business people. We all know it. Prolonged shutdown not only cause inconvenience to the citizen, but also hinder economic growth, transparency, and the free flow of information. Law and order situations are not uncommon and occur in many states across the country. And we all know now, even across the world, in such instances, temporary restriction for an hour or even 2-3 days, we understand it. However, extending internet shutdown for more than a week is excessive and raises serious question about governance and decision making. From the party side, from Congress Party, we strongly today urge upon the government to restore the internet. The continuation of suspension unjustified, affecting the innocent people. That's why I think it is high time for the government to restore the internet. But we are learned just now, some people, family member, they call up from Garo Hills that they have restored the internet. But how long? It should continue. And for small matters, this type of prolonged disruption should not be there in the state of Meghalaya. Thank you.